Transformation is one of the important talking points at the Congress, and I'm joined by George Nazi of Accenture. George, why is it taking telco so long to transform?
Because there are four challenges, really. I mean, as the technology and as the disruption is increasing. The first challenge is about the business model. Today, you're moving from a subscription type based model into a model that leverages advertising, logistics, and you're competing with new entrants into the market. So you have to redefine the business model. The second one is you have already an existing embedded base of technology. Let's refer to it as legacy, and you're building new capabilities. And you need to be able to manage between the old and the new and building that capability within the firm. The third one is about the people side, because now that you implement new technology that requires software, IP network domain, operations, customer experience, AI, you really have to work on the people and train them so that you can move into the new. And the final one, the ecosystem is now very wide. You used to rely on 4 or 5 big vendors. Now you have 10, 20, 30, 40 new entrants coming in. Many of them are very small, and you want to be able to see how you can leverage the open ecosystem in order to move very fast. So that's why it's taking so long.
Now, talking about various transformations, SDN, NFV,
yeah.
Is it hype versus reality? What's the truth?
It's definitely not a hype. I mean, if you look at the technology trends over the last decade or two, we always go through these S-curves where the technology starts, matures, and then declines. Today, what's happening is a combination effect, a combinatorial effect, where you have artificial intelligence, data analytics, a virtualization of the network where the intelligence is going from the hardware to the software. And this is the time to jump on that bus before you miss it. And the virtualization of the network already happened with many of the entrants, the new entrants, and operators really need to jump on it. So in my view, it's not a hype.
And because for them, it's really an era of disruption. How do you guys help them get through that era?
Well, we look at it from 3 aspects. The first aspect is we help them on the business side on how to increase the revenue by defining the 5-year strategy on what are the products and services they want to launch for the new consumers, retail, enterprise, and wholesale. Once we define and help them define how the new products should look like and how do they monetize it in the new monetization model, we take it all the way into the digital experience and we do the design thinking so we can start taking it through the operating model, and we help them with the operating model end to end, because now they're going to be running a multi-speed IT or multi-speed technology on the network and the IT side between the legacy and the new, and we help them maintain the old and migrate to the new by leveraging our platforms that allows them to use the analytics and look at the old and at the same time migrate from the old to the new. And finally, on the technology, implementing the DevOps capability, the agile capability, sometimes our platforms, and helping them shape around that technology.
George, thank you very much for talking to us at Total Telecom.
Thank you.